This is a boat that came in. It'd been another shop, and this is one of those bizarre things. So this is a flywheel that was on it. We just peeked up underneath there and said it needed another flywheel because we could see the magnets were missing. Well, this was labeled Merc, and it is a Mercury flywheel, not for this motor. So to make this flywheel work, they went ahead and changed the bendix. So we've got the correct flywheel. We're getting ready to put the correct flywheel on, the correct bendix on to match the correct flywheel. And anyway, because it was wrong, when they didn't mesh, it bent the starter, so it's going to have a starter problem. But the thing that's really interesting is when they put that flywheel on, did it have the magnets on there to begin with? Anytime you see that much magnet damage, it tears up the stator. We don't see magnet parts. We don't see stator damage. Those magnets flopping around underneath that flywheel at 4,000, 5,000 RPMs demolishes that stator. So we just see some little white chalky stuff, and I'm not really even sure what that's from. And it gets more interesting. Just for grins, we turn the prop. So the prop shaft is turning. We're not quite sure what that's about, but it is in neutral. So sort of a funny chain of events where this project is going. I guess it's going with a starter with the correct bendix, with the correct flywheel, get it turn over and spark because it didn't run when it came in, which it wouldn't have. and then try to figure out what's going on with the prop noise.